Create a route to plan and measure your next trip. Tap the Layers icon and select an OpenStreetMap source map like Gaia Topo. Also, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or in service to have the route automatically snap to a trail. Tap the Create icon, then Create a Route. Tap Mode to select your mode of travel. Use Straight Line mode to create a route on unmarked trails or when offline. Hike, Bike, and Drive mode will snap the route to the nearest trail while connected to Wi-Fi or in service. Tap and drag the blue dot to the start of the trail. Long press a location along the trail to add a route point. The elevation profile, total distance, cumulative ascent and descent will display at the bottom of the screen. Tap and slide your finger across the profile to see the corresponding location. To reposition a route point, tap and drag the blue dot to a new location. Tap a route point, then the pencil icon to delete it or create a waypoint. Add a route point between 2 points by tap and dragging the white triangle under the distance marker. When finished, tap Save and add a name for your route. To download a map along a route, select the resolution and toggle on the maps you'd like to download. Tap Save to save the route and initiate the map download.